Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. Do you need to create a Google Meet link for work, school, meetings, or interviews? In this video, I will show you 3 different ways to create and schedule meetings using Google Meet. Let's start with the first way. Open your browser, the Google browser. Click on the 3 dotted lines. Then locate Meet and click on it. So once you click on Meet, you will see new meetings. Click on new meeting and select create meeting for later. Now copy the link and send to everyone that you want to join the meeting. This is the fast and easier method. So now let's move to the second method. So open your Google Meet, click on new meeting. This time around select schedule meeting in calendar. This will open Google Calendar automatically. Now enter the meeting title. Go ahead and select date, pick a time and how long you want the meeting to last. You can also pick a specific time zone. You can also indicate if you want this meeting to repeat itself monthly, weekly, or even daily. The meeting link is added automatically. You can copy it, click on save, then go ahead and share the meeting link. Now for the third and last method. This method will create the Google Meet directly from the calendar. Now open your calendar, click on create, select events. Now go ahead and add the meeting title. Set your meeting time and date. Select your preferred time zone and also indicate if you want the meeting to last all through the day. Click on add guest to add guest email address. Now go ahead and click on add Google Meet video conferencing. This will generate the meeting link. Now go ahead and copy the link, then click on save. Now you can send out the meeting invites. So these are the 3 ways to create and schedule Google Meeting. Whether you need a meeting link for later, want to schedule directly from Google Meet, or prefer using Google Calendar, Google has you covered. If you found this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to subscribe and turn on post notification for more beginner friendly tech tutorials.